Your body's on fire. Your body's on fire. Your body's on fire.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 2020. Oh my god. I wish you all a happy new year. I wish you more life, more success. Let's make 2020 a good one. Can't believe it's a new decade. Like, wow. It took me a little while to get a video up for you guys. I just was not feeling it, and I wanted to give you guys my all, so here I am. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. 2020, I plan to be more consistent with you guys. So yeah, I did this blue purple ombre look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, my loves. First, I'm going to be going in with my M433. And I'm going in with my Anastasia x Jackie Aina palette. And I'm going to be taking the shade... Before I even do all that, I'm going to... Wow, did I almost forget how to do my makeup? Like, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Makeup Revolution concealer. Big wig. Right there, all over the crease. And then I'm going to take Pinker, and I'm going to tap that all over Big Wig because I like the color that these two make. Now that I got that, I'm going to be going back in with Big Wig with my M507 brush. I'm just going to press this into my crease to get a defined crease. I'm gonna darken up that crease because we are doing like a half cut crease and we just want some definition. Back over that crease again. And I'm also going to be going in with the shade Ginger. And I'm just going to lightly tap into that brush and then just blend it on the edges so it doesn't look harsh. Because we want it to be a smooth transition. And especially because I took this color so close to my brow bone, I don't want it to look like it's just sitting there. I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going crazy because I just lost the brush. I'm going to go in with some concealer. And I'm about to go in and cut the crease. I'm taking my Morphe M124 brush. I just got really tired all of a sudden. And I'm just going to tap this onto my lid. First thing I'm going to do is go into my BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. And I'm going to take the shade Throne. And it's like an icy blue, purple, like it's so pretty. I'm going to just put that right in the beginning of the eye. Take your time not to go over the crease. It's like an iridescent purple blue. If you guys watched my BH Cosmetics review, I'll link it down in the description. I did swatch this shade so you can see how it is. And this is my M167 brush. And now I'm just going to take Lordy and High Tea. Lordy and High Tea. And I'm going to go right next to that shade. It's like an ombre look, so just place it right on top and in the center of your eye. Then I'm going to go back into the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Shookington, that purple. And we're going to place that right on top of those colors and on the end. So as you go, you just want to place them to blend. So pretty, I love. I'm gonna go back into Big Wig with my M507. We're gonna put that on the end. My camera keeps shutting off, so if the angles keep getting smaller and closer, I'm so sorry. But now I'm going back into Big Wig, and I'm just gonna take that right back in the crease lightly to get some definition back into that crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever liner. It's like a blue, and I just thought that this liner will look really nice with this look. Now I'm gonna take my Milk primer. It's all over. I'm gonna be taking my Melanie Mills and Bronze Gold. Put this all over my face except for in my mustache area. Oh my god, guys, I took my nails off. I had it off for like 2 months now. Yeah, I took them off because my nails needed a break. I had my nails on for like almost 2 years without even taking them off. Like, I would take them off and get new sets, but like not let my nails breathe. So I recently tried the Juvia's Place foundation, and I'm trying out Nairobi 410. Coverage is insane on this. I feel like I still didn't find my perfect shade. I've tried Kampala and this one. I feel like it's still a little bit off, and I need it a little bit deeper. My Morphe spray to help blend this out. So I added some Maybelline 355 Coconut. I'm gonna go on with Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in 13. I'm gonna take that right in the beginning. So I'm gonna take e.l.f.'s concealer and Deep Chestnut. Put that on the outer because I need a darker concealer. I usually do this part first, but put this here. I was thinking. Now I'm just gonna conceal with the leftover concealer that I have on my brush. Chin, my nose, my forehead. Now I'm taking Black Radiance contour stick, placing it on my cheeks and a little on my forehead. I feel like this helps me blend everything out. Blend this out. Taking my Sasha Buttercup powder, my Real Technique setting brush. Just going to place this right underneath. Don't want to bake. I want to lightly set it so I don't have any creases or any dry patches. Down my nose. To set everything, I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth. I'm just gonna set my face. And to bronze my face, I'm taking Fenty Coconati. Next, I'm going to take that purple again. I'm placing it right under my eye. Let everything sink in. I just dragged this color. I need the crease just to give it a more of a reflective eye.
Your body